drop the location. I still got PTSD. Motherfuck the big three. Nigga, it's just big me, nigga.
Based on BPS data in 2024, around 28.99% of Indonesians are smoker. Even underage people smoke, and many people smoke in public space. This shows how serious the problem is in our society. Good morning everyone, my name is Stefanus Amargi Prajo Nugroho from class 631801. My student number is 6325073. So, today I want to talk about something we often see around us, especially on campus. The topic is smoking in campus area, especially at UBSI. In my opinion, smoking should not be allowed on campus area because a campus is a place to learn and grow, not a place to smoke. When someone smokes, it can make others feel uncomfortable. Also, smoking doesn't only harm the smoker, but also the people around them who breathe the smoke. If smoke is allowed, it looks like university is support the bad habit. Besides of that, it also make the environment dirty because of the smoke and cigarette butts. That's why I believe campus should be smoke-free zone to keep the environment clean and keep the student and the teacher it's feel safe from the bad effect of smoking. So that's all for me about my opinion. The topic is smoking in campus area. Thank you guys for listening me and my opinion. So the next part is the presentation of the question word. Bye bye. Hello everyone, my name is Stefan Samargi Nugroho from class 6311801. My student number is 6325073. So today I will present you my midterm exam project. The topic is the question words. The reason I choose this topic because some local people in Indonesia still difficult some when tourists ask or still difficult when local people answer the question. And then the definition of question word is question words are interrogative words are used to ask for different kinds of information such as time, place, person, thing, reason, manner, and others. The example of question words are what, where, when, why, who, which, which, and how. And then in bahasa we can use like apa, di mana, kapan, kenapa, siapa, yang mana, milik siapa, and bagaimana. Okay. The goals of study today is to help people know how to use these question words and understand when others say them to us. Okay. The first question word is what? To ask about object, activity, or general. The example is what are you doing? What is your hobby? And the last example is SpongeBob. What are you doing?
SpongeBob, what are you doing?
And then the second is used to ask about a place or location. The example is where do you go after this or where do you live? The last example is like Scooby-Doo, where are you?
Scooby-Doo, where are you?
The third is when, used to ask about time. The example is when does the talk start? The second example is when can we go back to our home? The last example is when you told me yours.
When you told me yours.
The next is who, to ask about a person. The example is who is your teacher, who is he, or who is she.
Who is she?
And then why, to ask about a reason. The example is why are you, or why always me, why you so late.
Why are you so late?
You did?
And then how. Used to ask about method or condition. The example is how do I use this, or how do you know, or how do you use this messaging bird.
How do you use this message bird thing?
Okay. The next is which, to ask about choices or option. The example is which one should I use, or which bag do you like.
Okay, which one should I use?
The last is whose, used to ask about ownership. The example is whose car is this. The last is whose bag is this.
Whose bag is this?
Okay, the next slide is talk about structure of question. The formula is question word plus auxiliary. The auxiliary is do, does, is are, and then plus subject plus verb. And then in order to use this structure correctly, we must know when to use do, does, is, and are as auxiliary. Okay, the first auxiliary is do. Use to plural subject or are you, they, we. Used to for regular verb, but not ing. The example is do you like chocolate? Okay, the next is does. Used for singular subject, he, she, it. Used for regular verb, still no ing. The example is why does he wake up early? The next is. Used for singular subject, he, she, it. Use it for verb in progress, or we can call it present continuous. The example is why is she crying? The last one is are, used for you, they, we. Used for verb ing. The example is where are they learning? Okay. So I have quiz in this slide. I have 3 quiz. The first question is where blah 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 they running, and then why blah 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 he lagging. The last one is blah 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 do you like bakmi? So the answer is jeng jeng. The answer is are is do. Where are they running? Why is lagging? The last one is do you like bakmi? Okay, the next slide is thank you. So thank you for listening me, and then goodbye. Bye bye.